These are the 10 world's most amazing mushrooms, and a few of them are so amazing you simply won't believe they are real. Number 10. Pennsylvania. These mushrooms grow in late spring and summer on the ground in the upland woods, often at the edges of trails. Often seen after late spring and summer rains, and despite being quite a vivid color and look, are in fact edible. Number 9. Toronto. Lactrius indigo. This amazing mushroom that is often called blue milk mushroom is mostly seen growing in North America, East Asia, and Central America. And once again, despite the amazingly vivid colors that often warning of how poisonous it is in fact completely edible. But these are not to be confused with the sky blue mushroom Antiloma hoxtiteri that is in fact poisonous. Number 8. Mexico. Claffersuber. Often called the football mushroom, you wouldn't want to kick it to a friend because the interior surfaces are all coated with a foul-smelling slime that attracts flies and other insects, and if this is sprayed over someone, they would be like an instant lunch for insects. Number 7. North Wales. Lockeria amethystina. Sounding like some sort of assassin, the amethyst deceiver is a small brightly colored mushroom that grows in deciduous as well as coniferous forests. Number 6. Arizona. Hiddenlampecki. Often called the bleeding tooth mushroom. Hiddenlampecki is a hydroid species, producing spores on the surface of vertical spines or tooth-like projections that hang from the underbelly of the main stalk. It is found in North America, South America, Europe, and was recently discovered in Iran. And you hardly need me to tell you this one, but they are very deadly even to touch and 100% non-edible. Number 5. Central America. Macrocybe Titans. Macrocybe Titans is a species of mushroom that had the claim to fame of being called the world's biggest mushroom. It grows in mostly grassy areas in tropical and subtropical habitats, and the best bit is that it's 100% edible. There are even stories I have read that say that this is used as an amazing mushroom toy. Number 4. UK. Hygrocybe. These amazing brightly colored shiny mushrooms are often described as the orchids of the fungi world. They are found on lawns and grassy churchyards, or most normally grass that has never had any artificial fertilizers applied to it, and are 100% non-edible, so no looking for any amazing mushroom recipe for this one. Number 3. Africa. Dicyphora indusiata. Often called the veiled lady, the fruit body of the fungus is characterized by a conical to bell-shaped cap on a stalk and a delicate lace skirt that hangs from beneath the cap and reaches nearly to the ground. Once again, you don't really need me to tell you that this is deadly to touch and should never be eaten. Number 2. New Zealand. Antiloma hoxtiteri. This stunning species of mushroom can be found in New Zealand and India and is a very distinctive bright blue color, while the gills have a slight reddish tint from the spores. This mushroom is in fact so famous it was featured on the back of a $50 NZ banknote. You know this already, but it is 100% non-edible. And lastly, number 1. Borneo. Neonotopenus gardneri. Found in a forest in Brazil, researchers only recently found a glow-in-the-dark mushroom, not seen since 1840. The long-forgotten fungus had to be reclassified, but scientists are still trying to determine just what makes the mysterious mushroom glow, but they do know that it is 100% non-edible. But imagine an amazing mushroom soup that glows in the dark. Now that would be cool. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy knowing more about amazing mushrooms. If you have suggestions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to click the like button and do subscribe for more amazing videos.